on a Railway, Season 1, Episode 8, Henry's Birthday Party. Happy birthday, Henry! Wait a second. Today's not my birthday? Yes, it is, silly. Oh, I'm going to ask for Tom Half so I can pull some special stuff today. Okay. He was off because he was so excited to pull some special stuff for his birthday. Welcome, Hat. Yes, Henry. Can I pull some special stuff for my birthday today? Yes, and I also have a big surprise for you. Ooh, what is it? I'm not telling you. Now, bye. Okay. And he left. So excited to pull his special birthday car stuff today. And he raced through Natford because he was so excited. He said hi to anyone. He was just so excited. Henry was so excited he didn't even say hi to anyone. And he just went through a red light. He didn't even care. And another red light. When he approached the castle, he didn't even say hi to Millie and Stephen, even though that they were his best friends. He puffed as fast as he could. He didn't listen to Sir Topham. He didn't even care. He just did a red light. And for some reason, that's red too. Whatever. And he was so excited. And then a bridge collapsed. Help! Help! Magic. The magic will fix this bridge. Problem solved, and he just raced off. And they magically went up to Henry, and he was so excited to pull. Telling everyone that it was his birthday today. He was just too excited. Then he reached to the metro. Then there was trouble. My cake! I've listened to Sir Topham Hatt. I don't know why I didn't listen to him. I will next time. Well, whatever. So, let's go home now. I want to go home. I don't want to go to a railroad crossing. Then the lights went on. Just zoom. Oh, that. Whatever. Raced as fast as he could back home to tell everyone. Everyone was still sleeping. And at 7 in the morning, Henry just whooshed as fast as he could. It was the best day of my life.